Hey, wanna see something crazy? This is the Pokemon Blue. If I plug in this USB and wait a few seconds, boom, it will redirect me to my YouTube channel without touching it. This is a Tiny 85. It's called rubber ducky or a BadUsb. When you plug the rubber ducky into a computer's USB port, the computer recognizes it as a standard USB keyboard. We're gonna use it for good purpose. Let's level up a little bit. I will change the wallpaper. Remember, the purpose of this project is educational and fun. This is the code to change wallpaper, and I'm gonna use this photo, backend developer memes. Copy the path of photo and paste it here, rename it and call it. Then click the upload button. It says please plug in the device. Reading and writing. Okay, now I'm gonna plug in it. And wait a few seconds. Start the PC. This is the result. Of course, the size of photo is not suitable, but yeah, it works. It works.